may chance po ba makasampa? College undergraduate po ako tapos may 4 years experience as a kitchen crew or production controller sa kitchen sa Jollibee. Hey guys, it's me again, Jen, and welcome back for another episode of Question and Answer portion coming from Jace. Yan, dami namang inyan, guys. So, ito, guys, always remember, regardless if you're graduate or bachelor degree, kung ano man yan, or undergraduate ka or high school graduate, for as long as you have the experiences as a kitchen crew or whatsoever na related sa position na applyan nyo on board, qualified naman po kayo. Meron lang po mga ibang companies na nire-record na nila yung kailangan may shipboard experience ka. Compare sa iba na kailangan, ang nire-record ng nila is your experiences coming from the land base. But then, here with Royal, kailangan at least may experience ka, at least shipboard. But at least, Jay, try mo pa rin mag-apply kasi hindi ko magagaranti. Pero for me, qualified ka na kasi may 4 years experience ka naman eh. Try mo pa rin, mali mo makuha mo yung starting position sa kitchen. Depends on you kung ano yung gusto mong i-person na position. And sila naman mag-a-assess yan, sila naman mag-verify yan, sila mag-escalate. And then, regarding dyan sa undergraduate ka, okay lang yan. Basta mahalaga yun nga may experiences ka na and applyan mo lang lahat ng mga agencies. Wag ka lang mag-stick to one para at least marami kang choices and options, diba? So, yun lang naman. Wag ka mapagod mag-apply and believe in yourself. And, you know, diba? Walang nakukuha sa... Siyempre, kailangan maging mas masipag ka sa pagganyan. Kasi kailangan mo eh, di ba? Siyempre, kailangan meron kang mas gustong marating. So, ganoon lang naman guys, pursue your dreams and believe in the power of your dreams, di ba? So, yun lang naman guys, and I hope I answered your question, Jay. And if you guys have more questions, comment down below and I'll get back to your questions as soon as I can. Bye-bye guys, thank you!